Blair County in central Pennsylvania, eastern Cambria County in central Pennsylvania, until 5 p.m. At 4:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Ski Gap, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Algema, Hollidaysburg, Gallitzin, Horseshoe Curve, Ski Gap, Lakemont, Duncansville, Crescent, Tunnel Hill, and East Freedom. This includes Interstate 99 to mile markers 22 to 39. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties: Blair and Cambria.